We are a family-owned, still a family-owned enterprise. So on the left side, the daughter of Dr. Spinner, and on the right side is her daughter, Katharina. Okay, so Dr. Spinner founded Spinner in 1949 in Munich, and since 1950s we are in the broadcast market. Spinner is mainly 70% of Spinner is in the production phase. We have our global production sites, of course, main of them in Germany, also Hungary, and America, China, and Brazil, mainly for the local market. Yes, so we have our sales offices as Spinner Austria, and also we have our representatives like Katrin Romkartel is. So Spinner is mainly producing everything between sender and antenna, so we are talking about combiners, loads, so the whole infrastructure, where also about our switches and directional couplers, filters.
What is new in Spinner? First, a short view to this product which we delivered already since 20, 30 years. And everybody knows that we deliver passive RF components which are installed between a transmitter and antennas. After the transmitter, Spinner comes with parallel switching units, with filters, with combiners, and also with connectors, measurement equipment, direct accessories. I think most of the people here know our products. And a little story, so 2 weeks ago I get a request from a public provider in Germany, Hessischer Rundfunk, and he asked to update half antenna patch panel which was 30 years old. Since last year we show off the exhibitions our switchless combiner. Switchless combiner system is very often used in South America, seldom here in Germany or in Europe. So here we know more this parallel switching units with plug-in switches. But here with a switchless combiner means you can add 2 transmitters for the double power, and you can switch without any switch down the transmitters. As the name said, switchless, it can switch with full power of the transmitters. Since this year we start with a new branch of dummy loads. The newest one is 25 kilowatt dummy load, temperature controlled. And the tricky thing is that we have an intelligent start of the fan installed, that minimum of 800 watt can go through the dummy load, and after the 800 watt the fan cool will start. That helps to save costs, it's more cost effective, and also the lifetime of the fan is really higher than if the fan running the whole day. So with our new mask filter generation, which is really up to 200 millimeters and 18 kilowatts with water cooling, with liquid cooled. Now we can offer also fan cooling filter for this new systems, for a new design of the filters. So, and with this cooling, with the fan cooling, you can have a 15 kilowatt RMS dvb-t power, and calculated with 13 dB reserve of it. So very important for, in this case, that we have combiners which are not allowed or which is not possible to have a liquid-cooled system on site, and to have, and anyway you can have this high power with in a combining system with 30 kilowatts. So why we are so successful in many countries that we run completely the network is that we do a complete planning for the tailored network of our customers, and because I'm in the business since 30 years, and the broadcasters are always individualists. Yeah. Everybody means they should have an own, and his network is the best network, what he is planning, and for that we are able to do and follow up the specifications to create tailored combining systems. So with our offers we give not only the price, so we do also a technical planning and show our price together with a block diagram. So this not only they offered 3 dB, so he will also get really 3 dB then. Our goal in all this in our design department is to design the filters or combiners like a Lego system. Means that we have a few basic parts and we can add these parts together to a complete combining system. Also, later on, if the network has to be changed to other functionality from a 6-cavity filter to an 8-cavity filter and so on, you can do it in the same frame and you have not to change the complete combiner. So that's what I explained. At the end we have a complete system based on the specification of our customer with a half antenna patch panel, and here in this case with 3 combiners and wideband and broadband sides bypass system. So, and it's not only to build a system, it's also necessary that it is easy to for the transportation and afterwards to install by the customer. And our experience is, after we have done the complete assembling and test procedure in the company, so we installed this combining system in parts which we can easily transport, easy transportation, and then at the station it is simple to put all the modules together and you reach the exactly same value what is measured in our factory protocol on site. So it's like a plug and play system. It's also to save money for the customer. That was the biggest combiner solution which we have delivered in the last years. To the length of 14 meters, and so the customer in UK, Akiva, is looking really to have a high security on each part of transmitter length, transmitters, combiners, antennas, and they always bought for bigger stations a double range of combiners. Means you have you have 2 combiner systems in a double way, switched with a plug with a switch, so that they can switch from one combining system to another. So that's their security and safety idea. So for these high power solutions, we also offer a complete liquid cooled system for combiners, which is I think it's only what Spinner can offer. I haven't seen it by other by other suppliers, and also it was necessary to have a complete water cooling system in double way installed on this station. And I think it's clearly that Spinner is able to deliver all dvb standards, means ATSC, ISDBT and dvb-t. And it's also advantage of Spinner products that we can do it with the same filter with different tuning specifications.